To start or stop Windows WLAN auto config service in Windows LAN Home, right click on Start menu icon and then select Computer Management. Next, click or tap Services and Applications drop-down menu. Select Services and then scroll down Services screen. Find WLAN auto config service and then right click on WLAN auto config. To start, select Start, or to stop, select Stop. The WLAN SVC service provides the logic required to configure, discover, connected to, and disconnected from a wireless local area network. WLAN, as defined by IEEE 802.11 standards, is also contains the logic to turn your computer into a software access point so that other devices or computers can connect to your computer wirelessly using WLAN adapter that can support this. Stopping or disabling the WLAN SFC service will make all WLAN adapters on your computer inaccessible from the Windows networking UI. It is strongly recommended that you have the WLAN SFC service running if your computer has a WLAN adapter. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.